According to a study by the Animal Agriculture Alliance, going vegan or vegetarian does not necessarily mean that fewer animals are being killed. In fact, the opposite may be true. While it may seem counterintuitive, meat eating can actually have a positive impact on animal welfare. For instance, cattle and sheep are often raised for their meat, but also for their milk and wool. If the demand for meat were to decline, there could be a surplus of these animals, leading to them being killed unnecessarily. Additionally, the rise of veganism and vegetarianism has led to an increase in the consumption of soy and other crops, which require large amounts of land to cultivate. This land often comes at the expense of natural habitats, leading to the displacement and death of wildlife. It's not just the natural habitats that are being destroyed. The chemicals used to kill the pests that threaten these crops also kill animals like rats and other small animals that live in the fields. This mass killing of wildlife in the name of veganism and vegetarianism is often overlooked and rarely discussed. It's important to consider the true cost of our dietary choices on the world around us and the impact it has on all living creatures. When it comes to meat consumption, it's important to consider the source. Not all meat is created equal, and there are ethical and sustainable meat practices that can actually have a positive impact on the environment and animal welfare. For example, grass-fed beef has been shown to produce less greenhouse gas emissions than conventional beef, as well as having a lower carbon footprint due to the way they are raised. Additionally, grass-fed cows are often raised on land that cannot be used for crops, which reduces the need for large-scale land use changes that can harm natural habitats. Furthermore, grass-fed cows are often treated with more humane and ethical practices, allowing for a better quality of life for the animals. However, it is also true that animal agriculture is responsible for a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions, land and water use, and deforestation. So, while it may not be the case that being vegan or vegetarian saves more animals, it can have a positive impact on the environment and our planet as a whole. Ultimately, it is important to make informed and responsible choices when it comes to our diets. While being vegan or vegetarian may seem like the most ethical option, it is important to consider the potential drawbacks and impacts of these choices on the environment and animal welfare. At the same time, it is also important to be aware of the ethical and sustainable practices that are being adopted by many meat producers today. By choosing to consume ethically and sustainably raised meat products, we can help support farmers who are committed to raising animals in humane and environmentally friendly ways. Whether we choose to be vegan, vegetarian, or meat eaters, it is crucial that we educate ourselves on the impacts of our dietary choices and make informed decisions that align with our personal values and beliefs. In conclusion, the debate over which dietary choice is the most ethical and sustainable will likely continue for years to come. But one thing is clear: we all have a responsibility to be conscious and mindful of the impact of our choices on the world around us. Thank you for watching, and please share your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.